The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI has called upon the Government of India (GOL) to urgently rescue 6 individuals, including women and children, allegedly held hostage by armed militants. Addressing a press conference at its office, COCOMI spokesperson Jiribam criticized the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) for what he termed as a submissive approach in handling the situation. Athoba alleged that the MHA is attempting to negotiate with the militants by offering the bodies of 10 COCOMI militants killed during a retaliatory operations by CRPF on November 11th following the attack and abduction. He described this as undermining the government's ability and commitment to resolve the crisis effectively. It is shocking that the MHA is bargaining with armed terrorists, holding innocent women and children hostage. The government must initiate a cordon and search operations and a self-crackdown on those involved, Athoba demanded. COCOMI also condemned the reimpositions of the Armed Forces Special Power Act (AFSPA) in 6 police stations in the valley regions of Manipur, leveling it unconstitutional. Athoba claimed that the state government was not consulted and no legal justifications was provided for the decision. AFSPA imposition requires the state government's declarations of disturbed areas, which has not occurred. The centre's unilateral move violates Manipur's constitutional rights, he said. Athoba argued that despite AFSPA presence in several regions, attacks by armed COCOMI militants continue unabated, with casualties including Central Forces personnel from the Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF and State Police. He said that the act has proven ineffective in addressing these threats. COCOMI accused the central government of waging a proxy war against COCOMI militants, alleging a deliberate attempt to destabilize Meitei communities. Athoba highlighted the lack of hostility from Meitei village defense forces towards Indian security personnel and questioned the rationale for imposition of AFSPA in peaceful areas. He further criticized the government's failure to address attacks by suspension of Operation Sioux groups, accusing the militants of waging war against Meitei civilians. The imposition of AFSPA in civilian areas where no hostilities exist against Indian forces is inhumane and injustifiable, he asserted. COCOMI demanded an immediate review of the decision, urging the Manipur government to pressure the centre for a withdrawal. If the government fails to act, people of Manipur will see this as an open declaration of a proxy war and raise their voices nationally and internationally, Athoba warned.
Burma dagi changchalakpa foreign dagi lakpa adugumlaba foreign origin armed militant group mayamama India government na Delhi da puraga peace talk ni sugi agreement ni hadana suspension operation ni hadana agreement toruga moini yoga thamlakpa kulai paiba singaduna lan tahalakpa duda makoina proxy gi lan ama ekoi gi thakdaju chathaba ma yaure masi chubna tagi counter insurgency operation da AFSPA season raga kuki militant ga Assam rifle ga kulinga ga kogi lamba paminaraga lan toromadu natana ngasidi Manipur gi micham miyang gi mathakta lan tara asi phawbuda India gi army na India government na Ministry of Home Affairs na masigi mathakta thabok paikhatpagi mahutta hena dum mapangan hapsalakbo oina police station taruga sida leiba micham miyam amadi maduda khungakchari miyam adugi mathakta ahenba Indian army gi amadi excessive military rule amadi martial law mayam ama season naraga khungakpa sing amadi mokhagi mathakta hatpa yauna phaba punba tawning matamta tawba ngamnanabagi mapangan hapsal laisinadi India government na hairiba police station asida natana Manipur miyam maruena yellow mi mitei miyam gi matakta India government na lauthoktab lanama kuki gi lana sigi marumda chathar abra haibasi khasi Manipur miyam na chingnei COCOMI na chingnei